You're going to have some ups and you're going to have some downs. But during those down moments, that's where the growth takes place. That's where the work is.
I've been unpausing from my royal wellness journey that I'm starting, and I created this space to share not the perfection, but the real, the raw, and the progress, the messy middle, and everything in between. So follow along and enjoy the video. 8,000 steps today. Yeah. We have 1,200 steps to go. Yeah. Evening walk. Let's do this.
Let's do this, baby.
Fitness is more than just fitness. Fitness is personal growth. Fitness is a no competition zone. And fitness is a time of mental clarity. I'm addicted to the process of becoming better than I was yesterday. Fitness is more than just a workout. It's a lifestyle.
Look at this weather. This is probably why my mood is off. I done had coffee and now I'm drinking Celsius